Welcome to a quick and dirty tutorial on getting an application server set up using Microsoft's Azure system. First, I assume that you've already created an Azure account. This is basically your Microsoft account, but you have to actually connect it to the Azure system and get it set up. Doesn't take very long, just a couple of minutes. Once you have your account set up, then you'll log into the system and you'll see something that looks like this. This is their default management window. You can use this system or you can use their new preview system by going up to your account image and selecting Switch to Azure Preview Portal. This will bring you into a slightly different looking window, but it has the same facilities and is just, I believe, their newer version. I'm going to go ahead and use the default portal to start with, just to keep it simple. So here's what you're looking at, something like this. It'll highlight all items with nothing interesting there. What you want to do is you want to select virtual machines, and then you want to create a new virtual machine. So first you need to pick a DNS name. Unfortunately, the rules are pretty stringent, between 3 and 15 characters, and they can only be letters, numbers, and hyphens. So I would recommend HS- and then your username for UCCS. That'll make it easy for all of us to find each other's servers. Then you want to pick your image, Windows Server 2012 R2 data center, and then your size, D1. Enter in your administrator's username, and then enter in their password. It has to have an uppercase, a lowercase, a number. Then you want to select, I picked Central US, that way it's fastest to our area. Then you want to create your virtual machine. This will take a few minutes. It says here starting provisioning. Under the free trial subscription, this is how you can confirm you're not going to get charged for it initially. And remember that this is only going to be alive for 30 or 29 days. So you can check here under your details, perhaps, how many more days you have of your free trial so that you can make sure and take advantage of that time. Now I've already waited for this machine to be up and running. You'll notice here under status it now says running, not provisioning. So what we want to do now is we want to actually connect to that machine. Down here in the bottom bar you'll see a connect. And the file that it downloads is going to be an RDP, that is a remote desktop file. So go ahead and open that up. If you get a warning like this, we're going to continue to connect to this, so go ahead and dismiss it. Put in your password that you selected when you established the administrator's account. This is not necessarily the same password as your Microsoft Live account. This is likely to be a different password. It depends on how you set it up, but when you created your server, this is the password that you used. If you get this warning about the certificate, go ahead and accept the certificate. And at that point, you will see the remote desktop application pop up with your server information. It takes a little while.